Welcome back to my channel. This is the Queen Phoenix. Today we're going to make this cute little bookmark. It's a little heart bookmark with a cute little tassel. And for this you'll need some wool, which I'm going to use some yellow, a crochet hook and a pair of scissors. So let's get right into this video. You'll start by making a slip knot and you're going to chain 41. I'm going to do the rest of my chain stitches off camera so that this video is not so long. At any stage, please feel free to pause this video, slow it down from the settings, and you can use your two fingers if you're watching this on a phone to make it bigger also. So you can expand it so that you can see exactly what I'm doing. Once you have your 41 chain, if you turn this chain, there's notches at the back here. Can you see? There's 1, 2, along each and every chain stitch, and that is where we're going to work right at this moment. So you're going to make 2 treble in the 5th chain, but in that notch. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 2 trebles into that notch. And we're working right here. This is where we're starting. Once you have your 2 treble, you're going to chain 2 and you're going to slip stitch into the exact same chain stitch. Right. You're going to chain 2 again and into the exact same chain space you're going to put 2 more trebles. Now you're going to count 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to slip stitch. Remember, working in those back notches into that back notch. So we've done this piece here. So I'm going to do the next one with you, and you're going to repeat that until the end of the work. So it's chain 2, 2 trebles into that space, and I just made the mistake. So we will cut the... I'm going to show you this one, and you're going to repeat it for 3 more times, and I'll meet you at the end here. You will count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you will make 2 trebles into the 4th chain. Remember, we're working into that notch. Then you're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the same chain. Chain 2, 2 trebles into the exact same notch. Now you're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're going to slip stitch into the 4th chain. So here you go. I think I should show you that just one more time. Count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and put 2 single crochets in there. Followed by 2 chain. Remember, into the exact same notch. Make another 2 chain, 2 trebles, all in the same notch. Count 4, chain 1, 2, 3, 4, and single crochet into it. Please repeat this to the end, and that's where I am going to meet you. So when you got to your end here, you will slip stitch, because remember it's still 4, into that last notch, which is so tiny at the moment. Slip stitch. Now we're gonna turn this work, and we're gonna work along here. You remember your chain has 2 sides to it, so you will start by making into the center here 3 double crochets. So now we've turned the work and we're working right here. We're starting right here. So let's make our 3 double crochets. So that's 1. Remove that tail. 2, 3. Chain 1. And you're going to make 1 treble into the same space. You're going to chain 1 and another 3 double crochets into the same space. Right. Now you can see you've got the bottom of your heart, and here in between your next heart, the chain right here in between, the same chain you worked on the previous row is the same chain you're going to slip stitch into. So for the rest of the hearts you're going to do the following. In your middle of your heart you're going to put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Chain 1. 1 treble into the exact same space. Chain 1. And you're going to make 3 double crochets. And in between your heart where you made this stitch here, you're going to slip stitch. I'm just going to turn this back so that you can have a look. This is what we've done so far. And you can see in between where I've put the slip stitch. And you're going to complete this until you get to the end here, right here, and that's where I'll meet you. Once you've done working all your hearts, you're going to slip stitch into the very first chain that you made, which is just before your first treble stitch. Now for the tassel piece, you will chain 15. You can chain more. If you want this piece to be longer, you can chain more. And you're going to leave a long enough tail. Use your scissors and cut. Depending on how thick you want your tassel, that's how many times you're going to go around your hand. So you just hold it against your hand, your fingers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. Take it like that. Leave a nice long tail. I'm going to thread the one piece onto a darning needle. And I'm going to go through the middle of all of them. Just like that. Take it, attach it here. Yes, I know it does look a bit weird at the moment. just going to secure it, go down a bit, and I'm going to hold it here, and I'm just going to wind this piece around here. As I was saying, you're going to use this piece and you're going to wrap it just there. Depending on how many times you want, and you will hide your pieces of tails. You will cut here, and that's all it takes to make a tassel. Quite simple in actual fact. So you can see what I did here. I just wound it around enough times, and I hid my tail inside here. And you just cut the edges and make it neat. Please, if you try this video, please tag me in it. I'd like to see what you guys are up to. You are more than welcome to like, comment, subscribe should you wish to. But most importantly, try it. I'll catch you on the next vid. This is the Queen Phoenix out.